I state your name, having been elected to the position of, hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of the office upon which I am about to enter, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Mom.
Congratulations to the newly elected Oxy Bocot